Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Now remember, no matter what this winner chooses, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like from the item shop, which does include the new OG pass. So go ahead and sign up for the battle pass if you don't already have it. If you have it, you can sign up for whatever else is fully giftable from the item shop. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting, and what Preston wants from the item shop is down here below. So we're gonna go on, gift it away. And here he is. So we're gonna tap on his name, purchase the gift. As soon as he gets the gift, he should change his banner if he doesn't see the gift. Or we can go into a game, get out of the game, that should refresh Fortnite. He should be able to see the gift. How can I know that he got the gift? Well, I can just go into his name and he should say that he owns this already, so I cannot send it over again. So that's my proof of the fact that he got it. Anyways, let's just go back and we should see that he has the gift. Awesome. So good choice, Preston. And right now, you guys can go on and sign up for the new giveaway. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.